Action verbs. Write. The boy is writing a song. Swim. He likes swimming. Eat. He is eating noodles. Stand. The boy is standing. Clap. He is clapping happily. Read. He is reading the book attentively. Walk. Walking every day is good for your health. Push. He is pushing the trolley. Pull. He is pulling his toy in a trolley. Sing. He sings very well. Kick. He kicked the football. Dance. The girls are dancing. Sit. He is sitting on the chair. Drink. She is drinking water. Play. They are playing football. Sleep. He is sleeping. Wash. He is washing his hands. Talk. They are talking too much. Cry. She is crying. Thank you for watching.